Shut up.
Shit.
Give him the whole thing. Shadow going crazy for some fucking fish.
It's okay, baby. It's yours.
It's your fish, my nigga. I'm not gonna touch it.
I don't want it. Baby, leave him. Because you're going to get mad. Leave him alone. He's territory right now. That's precious to him right there. Okay, we'll let you be.
Hold on, I'm gonna fuck with him. I wanna see what this little nigga does. I never had a cat, alright? I never had a cat. This nigga's just tripping.
Babe, leave him alone.
Shut up, I'm not doing nothing.
Okay, don't touch him, bro. Which bone?
Nigga don't want no one to touch his fucking fish. Fuck, I need that flashlight. Where's that fucking flashlight at?
Okay, let him be.